Logged in as a community admin? You're instantly taken to the maintenance assignment page. Here's what you need to do. Select the maintenance title, choose the month for which the maintenance is being assigned, enter the cost per square feet, select the due date, click on preview and generate invoice. This will automatically generate and assign the maintenance invoice to all flats. Users tabs, user list, view all registered users in the community to add a new user. Click on Create New User and fill in the following details: username, email ID, password, confirm password, role and community name. Click on Submit to complete the registration. User details. Once a user is created, the admin must activate the account. User amenity bookings. View users' amenity booking requests. Click Edit to confirm booking status after payment verification. Users' family details. Access complete information about each user's family members. Users' guests. View visitor logs and guest entries for each apartment. Users' payments. Monitor all user payments. Click Edit to confirm the payment status if the user paid via QR code. Upon confirmation, a payment receipt will be generated. User notifications. View all user-related notifications including guest entries made by guards. Users' vehicle details. Access vehicle information of both owners and tenants. Community info. View and manage general community-related information. Community amenities. The super admin will add all available amenities during the community onboarding process. Community documents. The society admin can upload important documents related to the society. Note: only flat owners will have visibility of these documents. Community emergencies. Admins can add emergency contact numbers. This provides residents with quick access in case of emergencies. Community local directories. Add contacts for maintenance services such as plumbers, carpenters, electricians, etc. Community invoices. View and download all generated invoices. Help Desk module. View and manage all complaints raised by residents. Admins are responsible for resolving these issues. Notice board module. Post announcements or notices for residents. These will be visible to all members of the community. Community surveys. Create custom questions. Admin can create survey questions to display in the mobile app. Create answers. Define how each answer will be displayed. Note: all possible answers must be created here before launching the survey. Create community survey. View existing surveys or click Add New Survey to create one. Guard module. Admin can manage and view all guard-related information, entry logs made by guards, guard attendance records, guard earnings and payments. Helpers. Daily helpers. Admins can add daily helpers such as maids, cooks, etc. Helper job schedule. Assign tasks or job schedules to helpers. Helper ratings. Admins can manually boost ratings for specific helpers. Helper ratings list displays all ratings given by residents.